Well, hello my dears, this is Sarah from SheHoldsDearly.com, and I will be adding on to our series, Styling Thrifted Decorations. We do this the first of every month. So I found some good stuff. You know, we're heading into garage sale season and thrift stores have lots of sales on Memorial Day and all that. So got some good stuff to share with you, and you also are going to be the first to see my recent plans to redo the downstairs of our house. The first things I found were these pillows, and I always check the pillows. I really love the feather pillows. These are from Pier 1. I have the other ones in green. I found this one for $5 at Goodwill, and it goes with my daughter's bedroom for her bohemian equestrian room, and so this is gonna go in her room. This is also a perfect color. They're really high quality. They have piping, which I love. I love the texture on this. This one was $5, and so this will look good. I really wanted to pile her bed with pillows, and so I'm adding to that collection. Then I always check, for garage sales, I'll check the crafting section. For thrift stores, I check the sewing section, and a lot of people overlook this. I want you to slow down when you get to that section and see what's in there. I found some really beautiful rolls of fabric. I found great big embroidery hoops that I made Christmas wreaths with. So this time I found zippers. So I love to make pillow covers. It's such an inexpensive way to change the look in a room. And so I spend a lot of money on zippers actually. And specifically I like a 22-inch invisible zipper, and all colors. It doesn't really matter. I make so many different pillows that I end up using the different colors. So I found a whole bunch of these zippers. There's probably 13 zippers here, and I paid total of $5. Normally they're $3 each. Then I'm really into pleated curtains right now, pinch pleat curtains. I think they're so formal and tailored and just really beautiful, and so it's kind of my new thing. And you need these hooks to put on the back of them to hold it all together, and then it has a little hook that goes onto the curtain ring. So I don't know that I even would have understood what these were a couple months ago, because I've never made pinch pleat curtains until recently, but now I recognize them. I got a whole bunch of these for $4, and if I were to buy these would be probably $20. And then the last thing I found in the sewing section was thread. And I tend to have a good stash. Actually, this is a great stash of really neutral colors. So I've got white, cream, gray, and black. And that's all that's in here. What really caught my eye though is that it's made by Gutermann. Gutermann. That is an excellent brand of thread. It's my favorite. And I find that over time, if I use Gutermann thread, it doesn't break on items. So this was a great find. So I got these for $4 for all this thread, and I feel like I pay about usually $4 per spool. So that was a great deal. Then in the random dishes section, which I always check, oh, I never even read the back of this. It's the list of all the reverends and their dates that they were working at this church. So I love old churches. I love the architecture of them, and I love the colors of this plate. So I grabbed this. It's a black and white sketch, which I also love, of just a really beautiful church, and it has this gold lacy pattern printed on the edge. I thought I would hang this on the wall, and I paid $3. Then I'm not totally sure what I'm gonna do with this, but I paid $1.29 for this cute little glass jar. And that's the thing, if you find cute containers, grab them. You will always use containers. I've never run out. I continue to find more things to put in cute containers, and I'm just love my space that much more. I'm all about having it cute if it's out, but I'm also interested in having it cute when you open the drawer or you open the cupboard door and have it still look really good. So it says almond accents on it, which I thought was really cute, little embossed wording. Then I found this candle. I thought the label was really cute, sort of like summer camp looking. It's from Trader Joe's. So you could go get this at Trader Joe's. I paid $3 for it, it's brand new. I thought about using it as a gift, but then It's Honeycrisp apple, which is, I love apples. I love the smell of apples. My whole house smells like apples. And so I'm gonna put this on my husband's nightstand because we have this thing where he likes to go to bed earlier, which is wiser probably. I like to stay up late and work. And so instead of arguing, because I get frustrated if I come into a dark room and then I'm like stumbling and frustrated that I can't see, but he's trying to sleep, right? So all these little things you have to figure out. And so what we do is he lights a candle for me and leaves it on the nightstand. And that way I can still see when I come in, but he can sleep and I don't feel like, oh, he doesn't care about me. So all these little things we do for each other makes for a happy marriage. That's what this is for. I found this wire basket and I haven't quite figured out what I'm gonna do with it. And this might actually even go in a drawer, but just really thought it looked cute. It's $5, wire basket. Then that really is taking me into my plans to change the downstairs. So our living room is gonna get a makeover. I wanna bring in some more color into our space, so that I'm really gonna focus on the living room. We're moving furniture, we got new rugs coming in, I got a new couch coming in. I'm painting the piano, I think a light blue. And then I wanna really go off my navy front door and paint my French door navy blue. And I want more of a like friendly study area. So there's gonna be a desk in one corner. My dog really needs a bigger bed. She's huge. Honestly, she needs a chase lounge. And I've fought it for a long time and I'm finally ready to give her what she needs and figure out how to just keep it clean. So I'm looking for a chase lounge. It's gonna go in one corner. But right away, when I was at Value Village the other day, I found this lampshade. I found a lot of great lampshades and I just didn't need them all. But I loved the navy because I'm going navy in our living room. $3, nice, big, really cute lines. So I'm gonna put this on a floor lamp in the living room, maybe by the chase lounge. But this was exciting to find. Then I found this vase, and you know I love I don't know what it's called. It's not milk glass, but it's like milk glass because it has a little hobnail bumps on it. I found a similar one for our spring video, and I put it out on the porch and I had ribbons in it and things, spools and things. But I'm really drawn to clear glass that has the little hobnails on it. I thought this would look really pretty with white flowers, maybe on the coffee table in the living room, because I've got a navy blue I'm bringing in. I'm gonna paint all the trim light gray, and then I'm gonna do just a couple pops of this lighter blue, like the piano will probably be a light blue. And then I thought, well, this will be another light blue that would show up. And you do, when you bring in color, you need to have it show up in 3 spots, different sizes, different planes. So if it's in the rug, then you put it up on the wall, and then you put something on the coffee table. Different items, but when you see a color 3 times, that is the magic number where it goes from, did they really mean to do that, to yes, this is a design. It takes it to a whole nother level with a professional look. So that's a tip for you. Okay, then I found this cute little wooden box for $2. So it says Field and Stream, and I think I might put this maybe on the coffee table as well. I feel like our living room is gonna take on just a touch of not a cabin feel, but a little bit more of a like casual summer feel. I say cabin because I'm gonna have some dark wood in there, and I'm gonna do probably a plaid rug. So I don't want it to get like totally cabin-y, but I want it to have a comfort to it along those lines. So this would actually look really good, probably mixed into the living room somehow. And then these baskets as well. So I'm going to get rid of my TV armoire. You can buy it if you would like. But I eventually would like to work towards getting a frame TV and have just artwork up on the wall where my TV armoire is now, and move my Lego dresser over. I don't know how long it's gonna hold Legos because my kids are getting older, but I thought on top a basket would look good to put maybe the DVDs in or something. So this is really pretty, and this was $6. And then I found this other basket, which I really liked. I liked the small weave, liked the color, liked that it had little handles, and this was $5. I am currently also redoing my other daughter's room. I'm doing 5 rooms right now in the house. And I am thinking that this would look good, just sort of warm up her room. Just a lot of white going on, a little bit modern vibe. And so I thought she needs some storage, so this might look good in there, or I could use it in the living room. Okay, and then last, the fireside room is getting made over. I'm gonna bring in some like persimmons colors and maybe like a gray floral wallpaper to go off of the concrete hearth in there. So I'm thinking about window treatments, and I found these beautiful curtains, and I found 2 of them, and I'm going to sew tape on the back and then do those little hooks I showed you to make pinch pleats. But I'm gonna put these, it has a real pretty linen texture. Let me see the price. So these were $6.50 for this set. And then I'm not sure I'm gonna use these, but I did grab them. There was actually 3 sets of them, which pained me. I was like, ooh, somebody should use these. And I didn't have my color swatches with me for the fireside room, so I guessed, and I bought these. These are Martha Stewart drapes, 2 panels. And I thought maybe I actually would just use them as pillows and then like use a band. I really love that look on curtains where you have just a band on the inside sewn like a border on the inside of the 2 panels. So I might cut this up and do stuff with it, but it's a little bit more orangey in real life compared to the fabric I'm going to use to redo my little blue chairs. And so we'll see. This is a maybe. Okay, so now that you kind of saw what's going on in my head, let's go style up and see how this actually works. So I ended up not styling everything. You're gonna have to wait to see that in the next couple months because I wanted to get the fireside room figured out before I actually made the curtains in there, for instance. But a lot of things I did set out. So I started by adding the candle to my husband's nightstand, and I really like how it looks. It just meshes with style. It's got a little bit of a masculine edge to it, kind of like sporty, retro looking, and so I like it. That turned out really cute. Then I decided to use the wire basket for some of my fabric samples that I haven't had organized really cute, so that was really easy. They fit nicely in the wire basket, and then I can kind of like see them from the outside. So I'm happy with that solution. Next to my desk, I have shelves, and I keep samples and things up there with my printer, and that would be perfect. The third thing I set out was the church plate. I like to use these plate hangers that come from England, and they are stickers that you just like get wet. You get them wet, and they get really, really gummy and gluey, and you stick them on, and you're supposed to let them dry overnight, but it dried pretty fast. So I went ahead and hung it, put it over by my bifold closet doors with the little bird picture, and I feel like the 2 complement each other very nicely. So then I moved on to my daughter's bohemian bedroom and styled up her pillows. The colors are perfect, the quality's beautiful, and so I love how that turned out. The least permanent solution I came up with was actually the living room, because that living room is going to change dramatically in the next couple months. But I did stick the basket, one of the baskets under the church pew in there, and then I have a basket up on the piano. I did try out the lampshade and I really like it, and then put white flowers in my blue vase and added the Field and Stream box on the coffee table. So I'm just working my way into the new look, and you can follow the evolution of that. I think it's gonna turn out really great, and I'm excited about it. So I do have what I call my thrifting checklist. If you don't have it already, you can print it off. There's a link below. It's what I use when I go into thrift stores, when I go to garage sales, and I have some tips on there and just show you how I organize my brain when I do this stuff. So grab that if you would like. If you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button so that I can send you more videos on how to make interior design easy. All right, take care. I'll see you next week.